Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to share directions on Apple Maps. And you cannot do this. Apple Maps do not allow you to share detailed step-by-step directions, but we can share destination or ETA, and I will show you how to do this. So, firstly, open Apple Maps application. Now let's select some point, let's say this one. And right here, you can click at the share icon and then send it, let's say, to your friend. And we just send destination. So if we move to the messages, as you can see, I did it. Or ETA. So you need to select your mode, then click at the go,
Starting route.
and then you can click share ETA right here at the bottom or right here, and let's send it also to this guy. And we did it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!